Hello everyone, before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the best car protection tips and product reviews. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever walked up to your car and wondered if someone could clone your key fob or intercept its signal without you even knowing? With relay attacks and digital car theft rising every single year, protecting your keyless entry system isn't optional anymore. It's essential. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top car anti-theft accessories that actually stop thieves in their tracks, accessories that block signals, secure your fobs, and give you peace of mind whether your car is parked at home or out in public. And trust me, by the end of this video you'll know exactly which one is right for you. So stick around, check the links in the description for the best deals, and let's jump straight into the gear that can keep your car safe. Starting now. This set features one large signal-blocking box, measured around 7.5 x 4.7 x 3.5 inches, capable of holding more than 12 keys, plus two smaller pouches for your spare fobs. The exterior is wrapped in PU leather, and the inside uses double shielding fiber to block Wi-Fi, NFC, RFID, Bluetooth, GSM, born LTE, and more. What makes this stand out is its versatility. You get a full box for home use, plus portable pouches for travel or keeping spare keys. It's best for families or households with multiple vehicles. A small shortcoming is that the large box takes up more space than a single pouch, but considering the protection offered, I'd still say it's worth it. This model is sized at approximately 5.43 x 4.25 x 2.75 and has capacity for 4 to 8 car keys including key rings and house. The outer layer is faux, PU, leather, the lining is premium RF shielding. It's designed to stop keyless entry signal theft by containing the key's radio signal. This is ideal if you want a stylish home storage box for spare keys and want something that looks neat rather than industrial. The only drawback is it might not include portable pouches for travel, but for in-home protection it's still a strong pick. This design provides two pouches constructed with premium carbon fiber texture, or PU depending on version, and two layers of shielding material. The dimensions are 3.5 x 5.2. On the smaller front pocket you can store ID bank cards, and the larger back pocket is dedicated to the car key fob. What makes this stand out is its portability and smart dual pocket layout. It's perfect for someone who travels frequently or wants to carry one key bag in the car and one at home. A nuance. Since it's just a pouch, it doesn't provide the box aesthetic or bulk capacity for many keys, but for a minimal solution, it's still worth it. This set delivers a box with dimensions around 5.9 x 4.92 x 3.79 or similar depending on variation, plus a medium carbon fiber pouch measuring about 3.5 x. The box itself is crafted from a blend of wood and high-quality PU leather, and the internal dual-layer screen blocks signals. It's designed to store 6 to 8 keys, and also covers cell phones up to W6.1, so you can protect an entire household's keys. What makes this stand out is its premium build and dual-mode protection, box plus pouch. It's best for a home garage setup or executive car owners. One minor limitation is that the premium materials may raise the price a bit, but in terms of value it still qualifies as worth it. This top pick features two compact pouches sized at about 3.5 x 4.5 or 3.5 x 5.5 in some listings, made from carbon fiber material and double military-grade RF shielding cloth, waterproof. The pouches block Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5 GHz, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, car key signals, etc. They also include an upgraded zinc alloy hook and keychain for easy carry. What makes this stand out is the outstanding combination of portability, strong signal-blocking tech, and everyday usability, perfect for someone who wants a simple, effective solution without a bulky box. The only shortcoming might be that it's just pouches, so less of a premium box feel, but given the performance you're getting, I'd absolutely say it's worth it. And that wraps up our look at the best car anti-theft accessories you can grab right now. If any of these products caught your attention, don't forget to check the links in the description to get the best deals available today. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which anti-theft accessory you're planning to get, or if you already use one that's been a game changer for you. Your experience might help someone else protect their car too. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit like, and, if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next breakdown of must-have car tech and protection gear. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.